parts of country, including Mr. Sanjay Bandhu, is a very much renowned figure from DIS. Tomorrow there will be technical deliberation, then policymakers they will give this deliberation. The inside the hall, who will be present from Odisha or outside, they will hear their deliberation. This is the only print media who can disseminate this total discussion throughout the country through your that is media and your matter. So for this purpose, we believe that the engineers or professionals cannot do the works of technology development. It is the concern of press and print media to circulate this message throughout the country. So
And Engineer O.P. Goel, retired CPWD to speak to you.
Thank you, sir. I will speak on the genesis of IBC. See, is it okay? Can I stand or? No, I am as the convenience of the young man sitting above me. I am as young as you are, over the years. Collective wisdom of all the professionals, the idea of having Indian Building Congress was conceived. I was heading Central PWD. I was a minion there.
Odisha, I mean, now that we are in Bhubaneshwar and we are discussing about IBC, Indian Building Congress Odisha chapter, so I am confining my opinion to the Odisha state only for the time being. You see, we find in Odisha that previously we used to have only residential buildings. Now we are having buildings of different types, different magnitude. And now we are getting buildings in Bhubaneshwar and around more than 30-story structures. And then we are having stadiums. And then more than that, we are having lot of hospitals. All these are coming under infrastructure, particularly building related issues. Now, what is necessary is that the engineering has expanded very fast. And thanks to our present government, the government is giving a lot of emphasis on capacity building. That means our engineers who are working, although they are brilliant, but they are not exposed to the present situation, present environment. So the purpose of Indian Building Congress is that we should disseminate these knowledge to our existing engineering service holders, assistant engineer, executive engineer, super engineer, who are not only designing but also they are in the field. And in this context, I am really grateful to our current state chapter chairman, Mr. B.C. Tripathi, former engineering chief, Odisha PWD, because within 6 months of his taking over as the chairman of the Odisha chapter, he is doing wonders. And the result is today. The executive body meeting of the IBC is taking place. Along with that, we are having a lot of speakers today, tomorrow. I mean, our president has already briefed you. We are getting none other than Dr. Sanjay Bandhu, who will guide us about the National Building Code. And as you know, National Building Code is updated every 10 years. So now the updating work is also in the process of getting printed and getting revised. So under these revisions, what are the revisions which are coming? All those things will be discussed and disseminated to our the persons who are joining tomorrow's conference. Apart from that, one more thing, that the capacity building which is being given emphasis by the government, that is taking place by, IBC is taking a very important role, and we must thank our Odisha chapter for doing a great job. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
First, let me say that we are all constructing buildings and we are staying in our own house also. But what are the technological challenges? What are the technological advancements taking Delhi in India and outside India? How SPD is able to start its own construction for tall structures with a minimum time frame. So, the emphasis will be on the durability of structures, safety of structures, and also economic viability of the structures. So, tomorrow, 12 technical papers will be presented by the authors. Authors are from Odisha and outside Odisha also. And we are very much thankful to our sponsors who have come forward to extend their support in organizing the event. We are really overwhelmed and to see the response from all sectors.
Muthu, Chief Structural Engineer and Technical Advisor and Technical Director from URC Group from Chennai. Nowadays, because there are a couple of points I just want to make. The IBC, the chairman, the Odisha chapter is very interesting person to work with. I had a very long association with Tripati sir. He was just called me in like 6 months before he had taken a new role for an IBC, and in 6 months, the phenomenal activity.
field ସେଇଟା ପ୍ରଥମ ଜିନିଷ ସରକାର ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଲାଷ୍ଟ 2015 କ୍ୱାଲିଟି ସେଫ୍ଟି ଟାଇମ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କଷ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଏ ଚାରିଟା ବିଷୟକୁ ପ୍ରାଧାନ୍ୟ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି ଏବଂ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ବି ଥିଲି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମର ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପୋନେଣ୍ଟ ଆମେ ଲିଡ୍ କରିଥିଲୁ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲୁ ୟାର ହ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ ପଡ଼ିଛି ଏବେ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର୍ସ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ହଲ୍ ଭିତରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦେମ୍ ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡିଂ ମନୋଜ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଅଦର୍ସ ଯେଉଁମାନେ କି इंडक्शन ट्रेनिंग पाइला परे फ्रॉम अकाउंटिंग टू स्ट्रक्चरल इंजीनियरिंग क्वालिटी सेफ्टी कंक्रीट एबे हाई परफॉर्मेंस कंक्रीट कथा को सो कंक्रीट हमें ऑर्डिनरी कंक्रीट रो टेक्नोलॉजी का आगो जानिबा दरकार हमें बही रे पाठ पढी के आसे लैबोरेटरी किछि कॉलेज रे इवन हमें प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूट सब पास करथिले भी हमें फील्ड रे पसिला पर ही से सेफ्टी स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेशन स्ट्रक्चरल इरेक्शन सेफ्टी ए सब एस्पेक्ट्स गुडा को गोटे ट्रांजिशन पीरियड रे जीवा पड़िबो एंड इट इज ए कंटीन्यूअस प्रोसेस